Hi there, this is Rajiv Towri. I'm with Amazon Web Services, and I'm here to talk to you about a new capability of Amazon OpenSearch service that we're introducing called OpenSearch Ingestion. So with that, let's just dive in and share a couple of interesting facts about that. So OpenSearch Ingestion is a capability of Amazon OpenSearch service. As you configure your OpenSearch domains, you should also be able to configure ingest pipelines for OpenSearch ingestion as part of it. Amazon OpenSearch Ingestion is actually powered by Data Prepper. Data Prepper is an open source component of the OpenSearch project, which allows you to collect, transform, and route data really easily from source into your OpenSearch domains. As you can see, an OpenSearch ingestion is composed of a number of data pipelines. These data pipelines can be either log pipelines or trace pipelines or even metric pipelines or metric data pipelines. And it is made up of a source, a number of processors, and sinks. A source are the places that you can collect your data from. Today, for example, we support FluentBit and the OpenTelemetry collectors and other sources to collect data from. Data processors include components like the Grok processor or the drop processor, mutate processor, a number of processors for processing trace data as well. And sinks allow you to write data into OpenSearch domains and can route it to multiple domains if you like. Now, the question that you might have in mind is like, why do I need to set up a data pipeline in front of my OpenSearch domain? And the reasons to do that are really threefold. Firstly, and most importantly, it can help you achieve some cost savings. These pipelines can help you deduplicate data that is flowing through those pipelines, filter them, sample them, and that can help you optimize your storage costs. The data pipelines can also be used to route data to lower cost storage options, and that's another cost saving strategy that you might be able to employ. Secondly, it really helps you ensure data quality. So you can enforce standards, you can normalize the data, you can adopt some schemas, and having a common schema across all of your data sources is really valuable to help you accelerate your problem resolution times when you're investigating issues that might be happening in your operating environment. And third, it's a really important aspect in helping you achieve your privacy objectives. So you can redact or obfuscate sensitive data, especially if it's personally identifiable information that you need to manage carefully. You can also control routing with your data pipelines to route data to, for data residency requirements to particular data stores in specific regions. Now, I mentioned that OpenSearch Pipelines is built on an OpenSearch project called Data Prepper. So just as a quick background, Data Prepper is a community-driven project. It is fully open source and licensed under the Apache license version 2. It supports distributed log, trace, and metric data. So all of the observability data that you might want to collect to manage your application environments. We have pipeline support for that. It has a number of processors to filter, transform, enrich, and normalize data. It does support stateful processing. So if you need to do data aggregation for deduplicating data, for example, or computing averages or summarization of that data, it's very possible to do that with Data Prepper. We use this stateful processing extensively in analyzing trace data pipelines, and traces might be composed of a number of spans, for example. So having that state information is critical to be able to support that. Data Prepper, as you know, has integrations with a number of open source projects, such as OpenTelemetry, Jaeger, and Zipkin, as well as FluentBit to collect data from, and more integrations are always coming out. So look at the latest documentation to familiarize yourself with that. So you can get started with OpenSearch ingestion by navigating to your OpenSearch Service console and looking up the main console page for OpenSearch Service. On that main console page, you'll see a list of all the domains that you've configured within your account. You will also see on the left-hand side a way to navigate to your ingestion pipelines, where all the pipelines, one or more pipelines that you've configured, are visible or available out there. Now, these pipelines, as I mentioned, support log, trace, and metric data, and they can be used to route data to one or more of the OpenSearch domains that you've configured within the account. With that, I'd love for you to give it a try and see how you can take advantage of this feature, and look forward to getting all the feedback and insights from you on that. So, thank you.